is hello everybody. It's the fourth time I'm trying to record this video, so yeah, I'm gonna do an extra thing. And yes, Noah, your idea for the description for my channel, can't really do that. I don't know why. I'm not really good with descriptions, so yeah. Also, I'm gonna do a mission for you. It's gonna be intense, but then I'm gonna do another mission after, alright? Yeah, the chase. It's the last mission of the first part, but also it has some cool end cutscene part type thing. Yep, there's the helicopter's gonna try and murder me. Let me out, come on, come on, come on. Go. Come on. There's also gonna be a whole bunch of stuff in my way as well. So yeah. Shooting me, come on. Come on. No, don't kill me. No, I died. I'm gonna restart the mission. Come on, we can do this. Yes, we can do this. Yep, come on. Come on. Why did you shoot? I don't actually know. Come on, we can do this. Go. Pretty slow truck for this guy to do. No, Lambo. Come on, we got Lambo. That didn't really do anything, but yeah. No, come on, water's bad for me when I'm being chased. No, it blew something up, no. Come on. No, don't blow that up. Don't blow that up. No, I failed. Come on. Okay, fine. Main menu. I'm gonna do something so I don't really have to do the mission. Alright? I'm just gonna show you the end cutscene. Yes. Yep. So. Let's just do that. Yeah. This might take a while. I'm just gonna find it. Come on. Universal remote. This universal remote. Okay, yeah, just never mind. It's fine. I'll just do the mission for you. Yeah, sorry about that. I'll show you in another video, right? Yeah. Okay, let's just do this. It was kind of weird entering. Yeah, in favor. Side mission, Alien's Revenge. Come on, I'm really hoping this video works because it would really suck if it didn't. Yeah, so, yep, we can do this, come on. Yeah, give me my gun. Too bad it only has 3 shots though. Get out of here, tree. I don't need you. Come on. Alright, thank you for dying. Let me in. Yeah. I'm really hoping it works. Yeah. And also, Henry, I did subscribe to your channel. Your videos are pretty good. Although maybe make less violent ones next time, alright? Yeah. They're kind of violent. Yeah, get in there. Now I'm gonna see if it will actually be like a jungle, right? Yeah, I'm out of turret power. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this here. First, yacht condition up there. Yeah. Bomb over there. I'll get it if I need it. At first, something I don't need, I just want it anyway. Because having more tools is fun. Right? I just fell off the boat. Like, dude, come on, try not to fall off the boat. This yacht completely destroyed my boat, basically. Almost completely destroyed it, actually. Come on, come on. Let's destroy this thing. Destroy. Yeah, come on, come on. You can destroy it, bro. Come on, just a bit more. With a good boat. With a good boat. Did I actually... This boat isn't floating in that much anymore, actually. Yeah, I just died. The boat just died. What? What's falling over? Come on. I'm gonna go and get him. Go over here. Also, my boat is different. My escape vehicle. Yeah. Kind of do that for nonsense, but I have done this already. Because it reset my progress, is the only reason why I'm making these videos. Also, yeah, the guns, when you shoot the water, it makes a splash as well. It's kind of cool. Full speed ahead! And look at the vehicle condition of my vehicle. It just died. Literally, it just died. Well, it did. It just died instantly. Come on, let me up. Let me up. Come on. Come on, I did get up, you know. Three, come on. Also, yeah, I'm just gonna ram this in the boat like I did in the last 3 videos. Why can't I just leave the boat like this so the person I'm doing this for, his boss, could just be like this and not be able to... Well, I guess sinking it's way better, right? Come on, yacht condition. You can get down now, okay? How come I can't drive this? Oh, also, I want to be able to drive this. Also, before my thing destroyed it, before my progress reset, I was in the sandbox, not having to do anything. I had a mission going on. Yep, there, all done. Now I think I'll just drive this boat. to as far as I can without needing to go backwards. Instead of just destroying it itself. Yeah, I guess that's alright. Let me out, come on, let me out. Let me out! Let me out of it! Okay, fine, I'll go this way. I was actually stuck, okay, that's why I couldn't get it. I was stuck somehow. Like in a jungle. It's a jungle, that's what it is. More cables. Boom. I just knocked down a tree. There it goes. Timber. Come on, let me out. Everything's falling. I keep making trees go by. Yeah. Yeah, that's all I need to do. Yep, and let's break the ladder. There it goes. Floating in the water now. See ya. It's amazing how buildings done where the bricks can be held up by one single block. But way smaller than this. Literally just one of these, just this block you see right here, this green. And yeah. It's green. It could be held up by that. And it's like insanely heavy. How does it do that? I don't actually know. It's like a jungle. Come on. Yeah. Again. For a fourth time. Okay, so yeah, we're back. Also, if you wanted to see my house around, also, I did get a new weapon, a vehicle thruster. I'm just going to showcase that for you. Snowman. So, yeah. Grab this. Destroy the snowman completely. Yeah, and then attach the vehicle thruster right here. And then, ooh, we go. Come on. Rocket escape now. Oh, I just went inside. Come on, we can make it. Come on out, come on out. I wouldn't have. Also, there's something in here. There was a tank in here, you know. There literally was a tank. It's gonna drive it first person into the ocean. Actually, I'm literally in the ocean right now. I just crashed completely. I just completely destroyed my bridge. Amazing. And I can actually still drive it because usually if I'm underwater, it won't allow me to drive. So, amazing. Yeah, that's how it works. If you add, the more you add, the faster it actually goes. So I'm just going to add some more. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, I'm just going to add some to this one, this car, after I just add like 3 to this car. Also, this is the car that I built. You know, remember the green one? The green one that was kind of busted in the part 1 videos. This is actually the car, the same car, except I kind of replaced it a bit and fixed it up. Well, I kind of destroyed that a bit. Yep, there. Now look how fast we're going. A rocket ship now. That was a fail, actually. Yeah, so let's just redo that. Rocket ship. Rocket ship. Oh man, I just completely failed again. Come on, we can do this. Fine. Come on. Okay, I keep crashing it, but yeah, you definitely go faster the more you add. So I think I'm just gonna show you my house now because I didn't really get to show you it that much. First, the first floor. Yeah, that's my workout room. It's not even a complete house yet, so hasn't really been completed. So excited for the holidays, so are we. Not gonna read it anymore. If you guys want to read this, you can just play it. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of failed at this mission, just skipped it. It was actually pretty hard because, yeah. Military. Big mustache. Bar. Yep. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you around my house. Yep, this is my bathroom, complete. I don't know why the lights aren't on in here, because usually they are. A washing machine. If I try to open it, this happens. Yeah, there's my machine. Okay. I don't know why this happens. I have my washing machine is way too light. I hate it. Mirror. In my toilet. I'm gonna take a turd on my toilet. Yeah. There. There's this. Gonna warm up my house because it's much better. Yes, and also this just goes outside. You've seen what's in there because I turned on the power in the first video. Yep, let's just go upstairs. And also, the failed video, I kind of burned it a bit. There. Yeah, just also my TV. Look at my computer. It's still there. Same with my TV. It's completely fine. I have no idea how this works, but yeah. Also, my house is gonna burn down, so I'm just gonna show you. Curtain, please get out of the way. Okay, fine. Don't get out of the way. I'll just crawl under you. Yeah. So yeah, this is this is in the shape of like some corrupted hammer. It's supposed to be a picture of my hammer. It says hammer time. I'm gonna go here, and then my picture of my mom. It says, yeah, picture of my mom's gonna go right here. It looks like mom.exe or something because it's got red eyes or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, this room you've seen, my kitchen. I have no idea where this light comes from. Yeah. Just destroying stuff in this game is so fun, so satisfying. So yeah. Yeah, that's what this room. I can't take too long here, so yeah, this room is not complete yet. Snow globe. And this is the guest room. Destroy everything. That mirror is literally just a window. I don't think I was able to show you because I already broke it. But this mirror used to be a mirror. It's just a window. That's all it is. And throw it out the window. No, you can throw things by actually doing the throw that comes with the game, or you could just do that, which I failed at, so I'm gonna do it again. Okay. Yeah, kind of like that. Wasn't. And this is my walk-in closet. Learned this from the last video that failed. Actually, it's my luggage from when I came back. So in the first video that actually failed. Yeah. My bedroom. Another mirror that's just a window. And this. And yeah, this is my hot tub. Doesn't work anymore. This is my toothpaste. This is my toothpaste. And where's my toothbrush? This is my toothbrush, kind of connected to the floor at the moment. So yeah, that's my toothbrush. There's nothing here. I don't know where I put all my valuables. Maybe I just sold all this money. So yeah, that's my house. About. Yeah. And if you want, you could just take a picture of this or take a screenshot. Because I'm in like the ring of fire now. I'm gonna like summon the Lord of the Rings or something. I don't know. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you like it. Like and subscribe. If you want to, maybe click the bell. I don't really care. Okay.